Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create simple art portrait effect in Photoshop. This technique requires many kinds of blend modes and filters. At first, convert the background layer into small object so we can modify it non-destructively. Then duplicate it with Ctrl or Command J 2 times. Now, we'll work one layer at a time. Let's turn off both top layers. In layer 0, we are going to add filter to it. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. In this window, you can see many folders with lots of filters inside. Open Sketch folder and select Stamp filter. Smoothness is at 1 and light dark balance set it at 5. OK. Move on to layer 0 copy. Change its blend mode to hard line. On top layer, we'll add another filter. Head to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select Cutout in Artistic folder. Set this value as below. Number of level 8, Edge Simplicity 9, Edge Fidelity 1. Confirm. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. In case you want to change the shapes of the color and their amount, double-click the filter gallery in top layer to open back the cutout filter. Then you can try out to which amount to get the effect that you want it to be. Create a new layer above layer 0 with this icon below. Pick up brush tool or press B shortcut. Adjust the opacity to 10%. Paint on the areas you want to reduce the effect. Bring back a little bit below layer. Adjust opacity to 70%. Next, select all layers. Right-click and convert all of them into small object. This way, we'll merge all layers into one and change to small object at the same time. Go to Image, Adjustment, Shadow, Highlight. Increase the amount to 50% in this case. To enhance color even more, create Viral Adjustment layer, then increase its amount to around 40. Add contrast to the image with Curve Adjustment layer by increase highlight and decrease shadows. You can reduce the opacity if it's too much. Alright, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe buttons to get more tutorial later, or leave comments below in case you have any questions or ideas. Thank you and bye bye.